Guys, this was supposed to look like this and like be curly. This is what I got. So they're gonna sit back here and the show is gonna go on. All right, we're good. Hello, I'm Judi, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. So if you don't know, your girl was on Access Hollywood last week. I am so proud of myself. It was such a milestone and I had such a great time being there. And in my segment, I spoke about 5 essential organizing products you need in your pantry today. Because we were on a time constraint, I didn't quite get to really elaborate. So with that said, in today's video, I'll be showing you 5 essential organizing products that are great for your pantry. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Don't know, just ignore me, please. So when it comes to the pantry, it's all about creating a functional pantry that works for you. Of course, aesthetics falls in there afterwards, but functionality is key because not just you, but everyone in the home will be using a said pantry. So with that said, one of the first things that I think is essential for your pantry is a Lazy Susan or a turntable, same difference. I personally love a Lazy Susan because, let me show you guys the Lazy Susan I have. She is drying because I washed her before this video. Let's put her down, let her dry a little bit more. Lazy Susans are great because what they do is they give you access to everything that sits on your shelf, which is so important because the goal for 2021 is not to waste food. And when you're able to get access to all your food and see it, because she spins, you won't have to worry about wasting food. Let's put her down again. So with that said, I would suggest placing your Lazy Susan on a higher shelf because as long as you can touch the Lazy Susan, you have access to what sits on it. Of course, use a stool if you need it. But yes, Lazy Susans are essential for a pantry. This one in particular is from the brand Neat Method. They are organizers and they have a beautiful brand. I love this acacia wood Lazy Susan. The one that I love the best is from Made Smart, which is at the Container Store, and perfection. It's a simple design. It's white, it's pretty neutral. It works in all spaces, and yeah, I love it. But Lazy Susans are great. Get you one if you don't have one. It doesn't just go in the pantry. It can also sit in the kitchen cabinets. It can sit on the bottom of the kitchen cabinets. It can sit in the bathroom, craft room, playroom, functional, multifunctional, perfect. Okay. All right, so the next organizing product that is essential for your pantry is the Three-Tier Expandable Shelf. I love her. So the one that I have is also from Neat Method. I'm showing you guys most of the products that I have in my pantry. It's heavy, it's beautiful, beautifully crafted. Love her. She matches the Lazy Susan, so let's put her down. 3-tier expandable shelves are great because it allows you to see what sits in the back of your shelf as well because it brings it up for your view. So no more, again, no more wasting food. They are perfect to hold all your spices, your seasonings, your condiments, your packaged foods. Honestly, you can put anything on an expandable shelf because it's a shelf. Again, it's perfect for so many uses and it's an essential item for the pantry and I will always suggest it. So the next essential organizing product for your pantry is the canister. I love a canister. The canisters that I love the most are these. And if you watch my Target organizing product video, you know that. You can watch it here, by the way. But any canister is really great as long as it has suction. I'm all about suction because suction, what I mean by that is as long as it's airtight, whatever you put inside of it will keep your items fresh. Another reason why I love canisters is because it removes the visual clutter in your pantry. So as we always see, a lot of these brands have a lot of colors, a lot of sizes. I mean, the boxes just have a lot of font. It's just a lot to look at once. And when you take them out of the package and put it into a canister, it removes it and all you see is a beautifully organized pantry. They come in glass and plastic. I think I've seen stone as well. So they just remove the visual clutter, which is very important for me at least. And it keeps your items fresh. So what more do we want from a product? Nothing else, right? Nothing. So another essential organizing product for your pantry is the bin. Y'all knew that was coming. I love a bin. I love bins. So bins are great because it allows you to categorize your items and it allows you to create a designated place for your items that sit in the pantry. One of my favorite bins, by the way, is this one from Target. I love her. She's about $12 and she fits a lot. This is perfect for snacks. Another great bin is the plastic bin, and why she's so great is because you get to see through it. And a lot of us have issues with seeing what we have, and when you have your items in a plastic bin, you get to see everything. Hello, hello, hello. I'm sorry. Again, bins are great. They allow you to create categories. They allow you to create a designated place for your one particular item or the same type of items. And again, it will help you get your space organized. Yes, it will. So the fifth essential organizing product for your pantry, dun, 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 are labels. Y'all knew that was coming too. Labels are great because it helps you identify your items easily. So even if your items sit in a clear bin or a clear canister, when you add a label to it, it just makes everything that sits inside of it easily identifiable, which is essential for the functionality of your pantry. So one label that I absolutely love are clip-on labels like this one from the Container Store. This is literally perfection to me. It literally clips on a bin and you just write your label on top of this. It also does come with inserts, so you can write on the insert and change it out whenever you want to change up the item that sits in the organizing product. Another label that I absolutely love is the chalkboard label. If you watch any of my videos or see any of my content, you have seen these millions of times. I love this so much because you can easily manipulate it, create whatever type of label you want out of it as far as size, and yeah, it's really easy to use. Of course, you will need a good chalk marker for this. And the last but not least, another label that I am obsessed with as well are the ones from the Neat Method. They're also chalkboard. They are actually magnetic. If you saw my Neat Method organizing product video, you saw me debut these. These are literally perfection, and I will be getting more of these for sure. Labels are great. They help you identify your items, and I feel like they also add that like oomph to your pantry, which to me makes a difference. Okay, so these are just 5 essential organizing products that I personally love to use in a pantry. Of course, there are so many organizing products that you can use in the pantry, like this one, like this one, like this one, and even like this one. And I have used all of these in a pantry, but the ones that I've mentioned in this video are just the ones that I always use. So, and because I've organized an entire pantry using these 5 organizing products, I literally love them and will always suggest these 5. But again, there's others out there that will also organize your pantry, so please keep that in mind as well. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.